time for tacos. I'm going to show you 5 easy ingredients to put together to make your own guacamole. It's so easy, it's so delicious, and once you do it this way, you're not going to buy it from the store. I promise. Okay, to start, 2 avocados. When I cut an avocado, I come around the equator, I move it on my knife to do that. Twist to open, looks pretty good. Gently tap the pit and twist to discard. Then I scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Okay, so we have our avocado. Gonna add to it about 1/4 of a red onion, and that's finely diced. Okay, we've got 1 large garlic clove, finely minced, that I put in. We've got about 2 tablespoons of chopped up cilantro, jalapeno. And now it's important for you, depending on how spicy you like it, to actually cut into your jalapeno and taste your jalapeno. Some jalapenos can be as bland as a bell pepper, so you have to taste it to make sure that it's spicy. And if it's not spicy, you can always add more. And another tip that you can do is add the seeds and pieces of the membrane, and those are where the spice really lies. Okay, so we've got 1 jalapeno finely diced. We are also going to generously salt our guacamole. I don't know if you've ever had an unsalted avocado, but the taste between an unsalted avocado and a salted avocado is like a world of difference, so be sure to salt. All right, lime juice going in. Been using this reamer a lot lately. Let's give this a taste. It's creamy, it's spicy, it's tangy. It's really amazing. So happy Taco Tuesday.